Poco is set to debut two new smartphones in India, the Poco M7 Pro and the Poco C75 on December 17. Flipkart has set up promo pages for both on its website. FCC documents also hint that the Poco M7 Pro 5G might simply be a rebranded Redmi Note 14 5G. Poco M7 Pro come with a 6.67-inch Full HD plus Gold 120Hz display. The device will have a peak brightness of 2100 nits, have HDR10 Plus support and will come protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and an in-display fingerprint scanner. The smartphone could be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset. The phone will run Xiaomi's HyperOS 1.0. The back includes a 50-megapixel AI sensor and a 2-megapixel depth sensor, and 16-megapixel selfies camera. Poco M7 Pro is backed by a 5000 mAh battery with support for 45W wired fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.